So this floor is home for home things like furniture, beds, pillows, what is it called, cushions for the chairs. You can see all this. So if anyone want to buy some cushion for their chairs, don't hesitate to come to Victoria Gate here, John Lewis. You can see all these are beautiful pillowcases for the chairs. Those small pillowcases. All this very beautiful. I like this color here. I like this color. I don't even know the price. Let me check. How much is each? I can't see the prices on them. No. You see? All this, they're very beautiful. Very beautiful. See? In this one also, I like this one. The color of this one. It's very beautiful. Now, all these are for. Wow, I like this combination of colors that are in this place here. You can see. Wow. And this side also, you can see the combination of the colors that are in here. See, all these are for cushions for chairs. See, and then from there you have bed linens. These are bed linens for your bed, and this one is a throw up, like when you're sitting in the sitting room, you can use it to cover yourself, like when you sit in the sitting room on the chair, because it is winter time now, so it's cold. So these are all throw up, very beautiful, you know. And those ones are duvet covers. See, duvet covers. All these are bed sheets. See, all these are bed sheets, and also there are some drawers. And look at this bed, the way they've dressed it. The way they've dressed this bed. Come on. Sure. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So, and these ones are protection, mattress protector. These are all mattress protector, and these ones are pillowcases. Wow, I like this one, these pillowcases, because it's very soft and not that very soft. Stay long. So those ones are pillowcases. You can see all these places, they are all pillowcases. And these ones are also mattress protector. See, these ones are for big beds. All these are mattress protector. Yes, they're just things. I don't know what these ones are for. I think this one is duvet cover. Yeah, this one is a duvet covers. These ones are duvet covers. Yeah, also these ones are all duvet covers. You can see how much is the price. They made the price according to the sizes. So this one duvet cover single is £110, double is £120, king size is £130, super king size is £140. Yeah, that's how they made the prices for the duvet covers. Yeah, there's also some in this side here. All these are duvet covers. Yeah, All this are part of the duvet covers. All those ones are all duvet covers. You can see. You can get one according to the size of your bed. All that. Yep. Yeah. And these ones here, they are kitchen appliance. You can see these ones are beans, small beans that you can put in your bedroom, because these ones can be in the kitchen because they're very small, so you can use them for your bedroom. You can see their sizes. Yeah. And these ones are for the toilets cleaners. See, oh, these are toilet seats. If you want all these appliances, come to John Lewis. You will get everything you need here. They got everything you need for the house. You can see all these things. You can use them for your bed, bathroom. All this, you can put your soap on these ones in the bathroom and decorate your bathroom. You can see all this. Very beautiful. See? All this place are for home decoration. These ones are baskets for putting your clothes, laundry clothes, or even storing your clean clothes. So they have them here. I love this one. I like this one. Like this one. And how is their prices? This one is 150. This one is 120. As you can see. Likewise, this one too. They are all the same thing. And these ones are for clothes hangers. This one is £24. This is the small ones, and the big ones is £44. And they're very strong, you know. This one's for clothes hanger. Like when you do your laundry, wash your clothes, you hang them there and leave them inside, because now it's winter and it's always raining. So you just hang them and leave them inside. And these ones are ironing boards, fold tabletop. Oh, I've never seen this ironing board that you can fold like this and put them on box. This is my first time I've seen. The ones that I know is those ones, but the ones that you can fold like this, my goodness, technology is something else now. So these ones you can be able to fold them after ironing, and the price is £80. See, that's the price of it. It's £80. Okay, this is my first time seeing this kind of iron. The irons that I know is this ones, but the irons that can be folded, I've never seen them. And these ones are the big beans that you can keep inside your kitchen. Yeah, these are the big ones. You can see they are very beautiful. Look at that one there. The price is £220. That one is £119. All these are big beans, and they made them in different type of shapes. That ones are cylinders. They made them in cylinder shapes. See, and those ones very beautiful. Wow. Likewise, these ones also, they are also for beans, but these ones you can keep them in your room, in your offices. You can see them because they are tiny, like this ones. This one's baskets for maybe storing food. I don't know, because you can use this for laundry. So please come to John Lewis. They have a lot to offer. They have very, very beautiful things and have a lot to offer. All these things, you can see. You can see all this. And these ones are towels, bathroom towels. These are all bathroom towels. You have different sizes. You have medium size, you have small sizes, you have big sizes. They are all bathroom towels. So if you want bathroom towels, beautiful ones, come to John Lewis. You will have them because they have different types of colors, beautiful colors. See? Yep. So let's keep on going. They have a lot to offer, you know. And these ones are vacuums for the houses. These are the ones you have. You have different types of vacuums that we have here. You have different types. Any one type you want, you can take them. For us, we have the exact one that we have in our house that we use. And these ones are different type of vacuum with different type of prices. You can see these ones, the prices there is £249. I don't know whether you guys can see. That's the price for the ones that are down here. And all these ones are all vacuums. They are all vacuum. This one, they are new ones, new model of vacuums. You can see. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. All these are vacuums. These are all new models. And all new models of vacuums. Yeah. And these ones you have mixture. You have all these are vacuums also. You choose the type that you want. Yeah. And these ones are ironing boards. Sorry, irons. Different types of iron. I've never seen this kind of iron. My goodness. They make things, new things all the time. See, these are all iron. And this one is their ACs. This one's ACs Dyson. Used to put in to try our range of fans. These ones are fans. Fans, you can see the way they look. If you don't know, you don't even know that they are fans. You can see the way they are. My goodness. Look. Ha. And their prices are very expensive. Look at this one, £339. This one, £349. And this one is £599. This, goodness. Wow. And these ones also, they are the same thing. They are all ACs. Wow. Technology. They remove things every day, different things. These ones are washing machines. You can see them. These are washing machines. Different types of washing machines. Look at them. All these are washing machines. This one's are new. This one is £1,349. That's the price for these washing machines. These ones are brand new ones. and they're new models. And these ones are very big. I think these ones are dryers or washing machines because they, no wonder they are dryers. They are not washing machine. No wonder they are big like this. These ones are dryers. They are dryers, tumble dryers. You can see they are all dryers. The washing machines are the ones that are in this side here. So these ones are the washing machines. You can see all these are washing machines. All these are washing machines. Wow. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And these ones are fridge. They are fridge, small fridge, which you can put inside your room, or if you're a single person, it will be easy for. Oh, these ones are freezers.
You okay there?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. These ones are freezers. Yeah, freezers. How much is this one? £349. So these ones are freezers. No, they are small fridges. And those ones are the big ones. Those ones are the big fridge. Different type. My goodness, this one is the American fridge. They call them American fridge. I love this kind of fridge. I love these ones. They are, you can see the way they look inside. They have everything inside there. 2-in-1. Wow, I love them. I need to get one of this one day. Yeah, see, these are the 2-in-1 fridge, the double ones. They call them American fridge. So these ones are the single ones fridge, main fridge. You see all this. I think this one is single one, but I love it. Look the way it look like inside. I like this one too. And this one you can get dispenser water on it. You can get water access on it. All these are fridges. My goodness, I love this one. Look at this one too. Okay, now I've shown you guys the fridges. I'll show you guys the microwaves. These are microwaves for food warming. When you cook your food and keep it in the fridge, the following day you want to eat it, you use the microwaves to warm them. So these are microwaves that they have here also in John Lewis. They have different types of microwaves there here. You can see. And then also they have some cookers. Different types of cookers. Some, I think, electric and gas. These ones here, they have gas cookers here. These ones are for gas. You can see there they wrote their gas. So these ones are gas cookers. These ones are gas cookers. Okay, so these ones are the ones that are for electric cookers. These ones are the electric cookers here. And use electric. I prefer gas cookers than electric cookers. Yeah, all these are electric cookers. Me, I use gas cookers. All these are cookers. These ones, they are already built in its own way. They are not like the other one, but they are built in different way. You know, you can take it like this, the way it is built, and just go and squeeze it in your house, in your kitchen. Sorry, you can see all this. Very beautiful. And this one here, wow, these ones are the ones that they build in the house, the wall, like in the wall. you will not even know. So you have everything on it. You have everything on it. You have the oven there, you have the cooker there, you have the everything, like they are all on top of the fit, you know, they are all made in one thing. So you can see here, what do we have here? This is an oven here. This is an oven. This one also is an oven. You can see they're very beautiful. So check them out. Also have electric, these things, kettles here. You have different types of kettles here. You can see, and they have different prices. Some are £89, some are £57, some are £82. See, all these are kettles, and also what is it called? Toasters. Those ones are toasters down, and also kettles. You have them there. You have them here also. Wow, I like this one. And this one is on sales, just £40. It was £45, now it's £40. See, all these are electrical kettles. You see. They are all electrical kettles. And this one here, I don't know what they do with this one. I think this one for coffee, yeah. These are machines for coffee at home. Wow, look at that one, £719. My goodness. Sure. See, oh, John Lewis has a lot to offer. John Lewis has a lot to offer. A lot to offer, you know. I'm even tired of walking around because there are a lot of things that they can give you. Wow. These are blenders. These ones are blenders, and some of them are very powerful. You know, you use them to blend juice, to blend food. You can see these are the type that I want to be blending my my juice, because I like like drinking fresh juice. So these ones, and these ones are electric, for electric cookers. All these are for wow. I love these electric cookers. I like this one. I love this one, you know. All these are electric cookers, and those ones are mixers. They are all mixers. Like if you're baking, people who like baking, these are all mixers machines. Yep. Guys, all these are in John Lewis. Don't hesitate to come and do your shopping. All these are drinking glasses, wine. I think I've shown you guys enough now. Maybe I'll go to the next These are spoons for cooking. They are all spoons. And these ones are knives here for cooking. Different things, you know. And these ones are plates and different types of things here. Games all. Yeah, and you? This is nice. Look at these Christmas decorations here. My goodness, I love it. Ah, it's very beautiful, yeah. They've decorated this place for Christmas decorations. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it the way it looks. See, this side is for cooking utensils, which are spoons, plates, cups, glasses, everything you want in a house. See? Wow. Everything you want in a house, you get it here. See, all these are plates. All these plates. These ones are already packed in a bundle for gifts. Because it's Christmas time now, so all these are all packed. Look at that sets here. Also, the one that they have decorated here also. It's beautiful, no? I love it. The way they decorated this place. These are the Christmas decorations. And that one also. And these ones are sticks for blinds. Like if you want to hang your blinds on the window, you can get these sticks here. These are the sticks, and these are the blinds. They have different types of blinds here. Like these ones. I think this one is for the kitchens or whatever. I don't know, because they're small. Let me see. They have different types of blinds here. These are all blinds. So, wow. I think they have different type of sizes. That's how it is. Like this one, the length 66 centimeters is 80 pounds, and the 90 meters, which is 28 centimeters, is 110 pounds.